Today we are going to talk about July under the Texas Standard Possession Order. I'm going to tell you up front it's going to be pretty boring because there's no Thursdays, there's no weekends, and there's no holidays. So if you want to find out why that is, I guess let's get to the calendar. But before we do that, please subscribe and click the like button if you like this video. That helps me out a lot. So you're asking yourself, Chris, what are you talking about? No Thursdays, no weekends, no holidays. What's going on this month? Well, it is the extended summer possession of the non-custodial parent. I am making a giant assumption that the non-custodial parent did not select custom dates for their extended summer possession. Therefore, we know that it would default to July 1st to July 31st, as you see on the screen here. Of course, if custom dates were picked, there's no way for me to know that, so I would not be able to comment on that. So we're just going with the default dates for this review. So let's start with Thursdays. There are no Thursdays in the summer. We know that. Why do we know that? Because it says during the school term. Thursdays are during the school term. We are not in the school term. Therefore, there are no Thursdays. Thursdays will begin again next month in August because most kids go back to school in August. Weekends. There are no weekends on here. Why is that? Well, because we know that holidays overwrite the weekend periods of possession. So the extended summer possession of the non-custodial parent is one giant holiday. Therefore, it overwrites all what normally would have been a first, third, weekend of the month. It overwrites all those, so there are no weekends. You'll also notice that I didn't put any weekend dates in here for the custodial parent. Custodial parent, if you selected your weekend inside this block by April 15th, then of course you're going to get that weekend. Friday at 6 to Sunday at 6 typically. So you're going to get that weekend. If you did not select a weekend inside this block by April 15th, then you lose that weekend and you do not get a weekend in July for the extended summer possession. Now, don't forget, you will get a weekend outside of the extended summer possession, and you only have to give 14 days notice for that one. So if you missed picking up your weekend inside this extended summer possession, then pick one outside the extended summer possession. For instance, I'm looking at the bottom right there. How about August 4th down here? You would notify 14 days in advance that you wanted August 4th, which would otherwise have been the non-custodial parents because it is a first Friday. And finally, we have holidays. We do not have any holidays this month, although we do have Independence Day, but it is overwritten by the extended summer possession of the non-custodial parent, so it is irrelevant. So I think that about covers it. If I missed something, please comment down below and let me know, and I'll do the best I can to answer it. And of course, always like and subscribe to these videos, please, if you will. It helps me out tremendously. And other than that, I will talk to you next month in August.